Alright, you guys, and now for this for the cutting board. This is my first time doing the cutting board. I really hope it comes out not bad. Now I will say it has been 24 hours, but this is still a little bendy slash flexible, whatever you want to call it. So even after I take it out of the mold, I'm still going to let it sit for probably about another day. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at how thick it is too. Like that's a good cutting board. It's pretty thick. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna show it to y'all first.
Let me see the one with that line.
Oh my gosh, I can't get the hole out.
What we do?
Alright, there you go.
Oh, that's nice.
You think it came out good? Yeah, the flakes got a little.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put flakes in there.
Splatter. I mean, the flakes isn't bad. I like the flakes, but you know, it's cute. I wish they could see the detail though, like all of the glitter, because this thing is like
not focusing.
It's shiny. This is a good size cutting board too.
It's a regular size. It look like a regular size cutting board.
And if you don't shut your face, you know what I mean. For it to be a mold, it's a nice size. You know, there's smaller ones, is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Please
don't get beat up on camera. Yeah, I like it. They came out pretty good. Pretty good. Like I said, as you can see, this handle is like flexible, so I'm definitely gonna leave this to set and get a little, you know, a little more cured and hard.
How would you color this in?
Not bad though. And you can't feel the gold flakes. Like, although I put the gold flakes down first, they're not like on top. Like somehow the resin, I don't know, it covered them. It did what it's supposed to do.
See, it's like,
and then on the other side, it's got like little stars. Because y'all, let me tell y'all, my sons went in and touched it when it wasn't done. I didn't know that they had touched it. So when I went to go check on it, it had like, it was raised up. You can't see it. You cannot see it. It got covered up. But it was like a little area raised up where they had touched it and took their finger off. And so I had to go back in and cover it. I had to do another clear coat of resin to cover that up. And when I did, I added the little stars in there. I think the stars are really nice. So both sides are cute depending on which side you like. But yeah, resin not for me. It takes too long. My husband said he's gonna do it again, but me, nope. Nope.
It was fun.
It was fun. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad you liked it, huh? Cause
I'm trying to find The one with just the line, so you can just color the line and call it a day.
You gotta take off the X.
I did. Hold on.
You gotta.
What is that?
What are you using?
I was trying to use a permanent marker, but it's not going in that line. I know it's a certain marker that you need to use.
Yeah. Give me a second. I'm gonna help you. Give me a second. Give me a second.